Good day and welcome to today's construction class. My name is Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. Alright, today we'll be considering the problem as displayed on the screen using Autodesk Inventor. Alright, so the very first one I'm going to create is the V block lookalike. Okay, so and to create that, I'm going to start to the sketch, pick a plane, then pick my rectangle. I'm going to produce a rectangle of 60 by 60, enter. Alright, so I'm going to pick my coincident constraint. I'm going to pick this, then lock it at the origin right there, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to produce a line from this origin vertically like this. Take note of that. Alright, then I'm going to produce a line from the midpoint like this, horizontally like this. Okay, so this line I'm going to make it hidden like that, so take note. So I'm going to pick my line like this. I'm going to draw this, and like this right there. Okay, I'm going to pick my dimension from here to here at a mark of 40, enter. I'm going to pick my symmetric constraint. I'm going to pick this, and this. All right, so with my dimensions, I'm going to pick my dimension. I'm going to actually make this area to this area at an angle of 50 degrees, enter. Okay, I'm going to make the height from here to the midpoint here to be 20, enter. All right, that is that about that over there. So I'm going to pick my line also like this right here. Okay, I'm going to pick my dimension. This place is going to be 6, enter. The height from here to here is going to be 24, enter. And here to here also will be what, 24, enter. So having this down, I'm going to pick my mirror constraint. I'm going to pick this, and this. I'm going to click on mirror line, then what, this, then what, apply, done. Okay, I'm going to pick my mirror constraint also. This, my mirror line. I'm going to pick this center line here, then what, apply, and what, done. Okay, having it in that order, I'm going to finish my sketch. So finishing my sketch, I'm going to pick my extrude command, pick the whole of this at a distance of 100. Okay, I can make it symmetric, then what, okay. So that is my what, that is my first part. Right, so I'm going to create the second part now. All right, so to create the second part, which is going to be the U-shaped object at the top. All right, so I'm going to click on my start to the sketch, pick my YZ plane. All right, I'm going to pick a rectangle like this. I'm doing a rectangle of 36 by 80. All right, after drawing that, I'm going to pick my coincident constraint. I'm going to pick this from the midpoint here, lock it right here. So pick my line, draw it vertically downward like this, then what, okay. So pick my symmetric constraint, pick this, then still lock it. Okay, so already there. So just to be sure, so I'm going to pick my circle. All right, I'm going to draw a circle of diameter 48, enter, and a circle of diameter 72, enter. All right, so drawing those two circles, I'm going to use my trim. I'm going to trim this, and this. So I'm going to redimension it just to lock it up. Radius 24, yes, and radius 36 right there. So what's the next step now? The next step to take is this. I'm going to pick my line like this. I'm going to draw this. Okay, like this, and like this. Okay, drawing that, I'm going to pick my dimension. I'm going to make this height of 12. All right, so distance from here to here is going to be 10, enter. All right, sorry, I'm going to pick my mirror constraint. Sorry, I'm going to pick this, and this. I'm going to pick my mirror line, which is this. Then I'm going to what, apply, then what, done. All right, doing that, I'm going to pick a line like this. I'm going to draw this at the top like this. Okay, I'm going to make this distance here 24. Enter. So the total height from here, from the top right there to this midpoint here, is going to be 80. Enter. I'm going to pick my symmetric constraint. I'm going to pick this and this, like that, as you can see on the screen right here. Okay, I'm going to pick a line from this to this area. All right, then somewhere here to this area. So the distance of this line from here to here is going to be a distance of 6. Enter. Doing that, I'm going to finish my sketch, as you can see on the screen. So finishing my sketch, I'm going to pick extrude this and this at a distance of 20. I'm going to make it symmetric, then what? Okay. So I'm going to share my sketch. All right, I'm going to pick revolve. With my revolve, I pick this and, sorry, that's a mistake. Revolve, I pick this and this. Then I pick axis, I pick this. Okay, take note, I pick cut, then what? Okay. All right, so I can actually hide the visibility right there. So this is okay. One more thing, my fillet at what? 4. Pick this and this, and what? Okay. So that is the production of my objects as displayed and the problem given to us. Okay, so for the third one, I'm going to create a new parts file. Okay, start to the sketch. Something like this. So I'm going to pick this mark of 100. Enter. This mark of 20. Enter. Revolve command. Okay, with my revolve command, I pick this area right here. What? Okay. So I'm going to right there, sketch, slice graphics. I'm slicing my graphics with F7 command. I keep on F7. Okay, take note of that. So I pick my circle, create a circle at the center of diameter 5. Enter. My dimension. Center of the circle is going to be 10. Enter. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetric, true part as displayed on the screen. Once again, my name remains Oluwatunbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Tech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.